All right, OneManOneCamera here. I stopped by Popeyes to try their chicken sandwich. Now, I had one before during the first round, but I can't remember if it was spicy or not. So I thought I'd do a spicy chicken sandwich review just for laughs. Let's check it out. Now, the price is $3.99 plus tax, $4.32 here in Las Vegas. Now, this is a, pardon me, now it is a pretty big piece of chicken. Yeah, it really is. I've tried a bunch of chicken sandwiches, you know, Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's, whatever, and some sound really bad, but the number one enjoyable chicken type sandwich I've had so far has been the McDonald's dollar menu McChicken sandwich, because it's I think it was $1, right? But it is spicy, has a little bit of kick to it, and the chicken tastes okay. It's like I think there's maybe one, you know, limp lettuce leaf on there, but that's all right. And this guy right here, let's see, nothing on top, and I guess there are 2 pickles and some sauce. All right, and this is the spicy version. Let's go. I'm waiting for the spice. I am waiting for the spice. Nada. They do give you a good sized pickle, so hallelujah for that. Right now, I'm at UNLV's track and field area. Very nice. Overall, so far, it's not bad. Now, as I recall, the first one I had, it tasted salty. So I don't know where that saltiness came from, but it was salty. This one is not salty, so that's a plus. See, it is pretty big though, yeah? It is a good sized sandwich. I give him credit for that. Now, as far as the crust goes, it's crispy enough for me, yeah? And overall, chicken does taste, you know, cooked thoroughly through. It's not dry, nothing strange, so that's a plus, yeah? Nice brioche bun, I guess. Ha. But I think some lettuce would be nice on here. Nice and crispy. Big giant tomato, potato, whatever, would be nice too. I think it would add to the experience of eating this chicken sandwich. All right, almost done. Let's get a whole bite with pickle included. Hey, here. It's not a bad sandwich. And like I said, $3.99 seems fair in these times. I've only been to Chick-fil-A one time. There is one kind of a couple miles over that way, and it stays packed, and I really don't want to wait in line, so I haven't gone there yet. They are opening a Chick-fil-A on the Strip, and also one downtown. The one on the Strip will be in front of the Miracle Mile shopping area, plaza, whatever, you know, the penthouse, not penthouse. What's that place called? Planet Hollywood, not Penthouse. It's a different place completely. But they're opening Chick-fil-A. There's no date on there, a hard date when they'll be open, but I think they're open. I thought they'd be open by the end of the year, I believe. So, but who knows, right? But I can imagine they're going to be swamped because a lot of folks have heard about Chick-fil-A and never had it, and a lot of folks who love that place. So I believe they're going to be a packed. Like I said, the one on the Strip will be where the that Pink's hot dog place was. I went to Pink's once, didn't like it. God, man. Anyway, all right, I'm down to the last bite of my spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Overall, you know, it's not a bad sandwich, okay? Tastes fine. Like I said, I would like some lettuce and tomatoes on there. Make me very, very happy. Popeyes is a good brand. They're extremely popular with some people, just as Chick-fil-A is also. And it's funny, sirens. It's funny, the first time I had Popeyes was in Hong Kong at the airport. And I had been through Hong Kong a number of times, and I saw the, well, let me back up. The first time I thought about eating Popeyes was in Hong Kong. They had a location inside the airport, but before the paid area. I never tried it. And then on the inside of the airport, in the food court area, they put a Popeyes in this. I'll give it a try. I think I paid like $11 for like 2 pieces of biscuit and a drink. I thought it was expensive. It didn't grab me, okay, guys? It did not grab me. A few years later, I ended up in Vegas, and there's Popeyes somewhat nearby, so I'll go and give it a try. And it's just so-so. So I'll give them one more chance later on. Not bad. So now I go to Popeyes maybe every 2-3 weeks, once a month like that. Usually, I just grab their $2 Tuesday, which is now $2.49 Tuesday. Pardon me. Usually I grab one of those sandwich things. I'm sorry. The $2 Tuesday is a 2 pieces for $2. Well, it was $2. And then I think it was $1.99 and then $2.19, and I think it's $2.49 now, I believe. It was $2.29. I can't remember. I think it's $2.49 now for a 2-piece. And which, you know, it's all right. You buy it every now and then after work, whatever. You get a 2-piece of fried chicken. What the heck. But they do a lot of good business. And even before this chicken sandwich explosion, there were times when you go by Popeyes and hear the sirens singing and singing and singing. There were times when I go by Popeyes, it would be packed with people in there. And I've always wondered, you know, how many pounds of chicken they sell per week in that location, or the locations around in Vegas. Once again, thank you all for joining me in my little rambling about Popeye's chicken and so on and so on and so on. And like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are and have a great day. Now I must go to Walmart and fight the crowds over there. God, it should be exciting whatever happens, right? All right, you guys, once again, I thank thee. Cheerio!